Hi guys, welcome to today's review. It's Odonil automatic spray and the pack claim that it lasts up to 2 months, 60 days, yes. And this one is jasmine fragrance. MRP of this machine with spray is 599, but you can get this one from Amazon at 50% discount, only 299. So link I have given in the description box. So in the box we have two batteries, two AA batteries are included in the pack. Wow. And this is battery operated automatic spray and one 225 ml spray bottle. So this one is gold jasmine fragrance and the look design is beautiful. It has 3 scent release settings which I will show you, and it can be wall mounted also, can be used as a tabletop also, and it weighs 135 gram. Coming to the installation part, you see this button on the top. Press this button gently and pull the front cover forward. Now remove the lid and we have this 225 ml spray already in there. Just be careful, if the nozzle is not fit properly, it won't spray. So press the nozzle down and then push it in. Now insert the batteries and switch it on. Immediately the red light will blink, meaning all set well. So adjust the required time settings. It has 9 minute, 18 minutes, 30 minute settings. Ensure that the nozzle is visible through the spray hole and seal it. So the initial spray will come in 10 seconds after activation, and you can keep this at the side table, guest room, your washroom. It look elegant. You can also wall mount this. It has that provision. The scent is delightful, soothing and truly long lasting. It fills the room with a refreshing fragrance without being overpowering. And the pack also claim that this spray will give you 2200 guaranteed sprays. So you can adjust it according to your time setting, preference setting. If at all you want immediate fragrance, they have given this button in the front. You push it and the spray will come. And this spray comes in 4 machines and 4 fragrance options. The best part is I love the design of this machine. So overall, if you are looking for a convenient and effective way to keep your home smelling fresh, this Odonil spray is a fantastic choice. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.